This is the newly installed passenger elevator at Mountain View Commons near Greensburg, Pennsylvania. This is Savaria Orion Lula buzzer. This is just installed. This was originally being installed by James R. Pitcairn, but Right Elevator finished installing it. Didn't think it would go to the basement, but it does. So we're down to the basement. Here we go down. So Innovation Fire Service, that was probably done by Right Elevator. Smells a bit like dry water in here. There's also an old hot and freight elevator type E-block, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to get that one though. Here, basement. It was broken for a while, but I just fixed it. Go to 2. Here you go. Yeah, it's car 2 because the freight elevator is car 1. Not too bouncy though. Lights are flickering a little bit here too. Back down to 1. Basic Lula. Or actually, well, it's like Innovation, but I bet it's FE. Okay, 1. Here back at 1. It's usually a single tire, that's why there's a desk there, but desk isn't used anymore, they're close enough to get.